Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings has a double Uncrating for you today. We're going to be doing two BMWs. This is going to be our first F750GS and our first F850GS. I know the lids are busted a little bit. We just had them transported from our warehouse to here, and it's a little wet out today. But we got lots of extra goodies going. We got two of our other employees, our big man GM, Chip Huff, doing one Uncrating, while Martin Luthien, another one of our parts associates, will be doing the Uncrating on the other machine. So we're going to get both of these Uncrated so you can do a side-by-side comparison. The races are on. You ready, guys? Let's do it. I'll watch. Oh, he prepped his. He's cheating. He's cheating.
He prepped his already.
Notice some of the big changes we're going to have on the F850. First thing you'll notice, it sticks out the most. Cross-spoke rims now available. So we went tubeless and we did that in style with gold rims. We are having the addition of a dynamic electronic suspension adjustment added to it. So we have that rear module for that back in the back of this motorcycle. The seat went to a tapered saddle from the flat, more narrow saddle, which I think is going to attribute to a lot more comfort for long distance riding. When you get into the cockpit, you're going to notice you feel like an R1200GS because we have the navigation, preparation, keyless ride, gear shift assist pro on the motorcycle. We have an accessory socket sitting up top side, the exact same switch cubes that are going to be on the 1200. So those are some of the minor changes, but we're still in a more athletic, chain-driven format. And our fuel tank relocation, completely different. We went from a sub-fuel tank to a conventional fuel tank with the keyless ride, and that dictated on a massive frame change for the new F850GS. Let's see what Chip has for the F750GS over here. He's getting close.
Trying to be cautious. In one of those weeks.
Obviously, our motorsport colors.
Go. This is the stereo matte metallic. Is that right, Dave?
Stereo matte metallic.
Which is what they are calling for the 750, their exclusive color.
So we're maintaining our mag wheels on this with a 19-inch front wheel. Again, dynamic ESA, the new revised saddle, conventional fuel tank location with keyless ride, keyless fuel entry, same switch cube, same TFT, and we are on a completely revised motorcycle that is made to combat the new Tiger 800. So this is going to be a really good fight for 2019 with the 2018 Tiger 800 XR and XC line and the all-new F750 and F850 adventure touring motorcycles in the middleweight category for BMW. Got anything that you wanted to add to this, Chip, that might be some insight and knowledge of what additional equipment we have?
I mean, if you take everything that was developed for the S1000 series, for the GS series, the best of everything was put into these bikes. I mean, even down to the TFT display, the nav mounts. I mean, clutchless upshift, downshift, everything.
Let's get a little closer look. We're going to do a little tighter examination of these motorcycles. They aren't fully assembled. We still have some assembly to do in the service department. New rear rack assembly.
Handguards.
Newly designed muffler. We got handguards going on, you say, Chip?
Yep, and actually stay tuned because we have accessory packs coming for the 850 that we probably will be getting within the next day or two. You probably want to add as well. But the 850 is the demo that's going to have all the fun.
Look at that new LED headlight. Amazing. Once we get them hot, we'll be going through the instrumentation, do a typical uncrating, then walk around video for your viewing pleasure. So, I'd like to say thank you to Chip and to Martin for helping us out, getting the S750 and the F850 uncrating done simultaneously, and that you guys see both of these hot machines coming out for 2019 from BMW Motorrad. Thanks for watching Frontline Eurosports Online, and have a beautiful day.